you ever get sick of sucking face?
I'm thinking that's a no.
Baby, better make it good.
That is the most romantic thing I've ever heard.
Keep the line moving, lovebirds. I don't think this is the kind of action Chris had in mind.
Duncan is so right. I like Jeff, but hello, I also like $1,000,000.
I know exactly who's gonna get it this week. At least they'll have each other.
But I thought everyone liked us.
Like being the operative word.
Any final words?